If you're seeing the cursor error errors_exhausted, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it quickly and get back to coding. This issue is usually caused by model limits, heavy traffic, or asking cursor to process too much at once. The good news is that in most cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes without reinstalling anything. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. The first fix is to switch to another model. In Cursor, go to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open your settings. Once the settings panel appears, look for the Models section and click on it. From there, choose View All Models so you can see every available option. Now select a different model instead of the one you're currently using. This is especially important if you're on a premium model like Claude 3.5 Sonnet, because the resource_exhausted error often happens when that model is overloaded or temporarily restricted. If you want the fastest workaround, try switching manually to GPT-5.5 or even a base model if needed. Base models are often less crowded and can help you continue working while the traffic settles down. After changing the model, go back and try your prompt again. In many cases, that alone is enough to resolve the error and get Cursor responding normally. If you still see the problem, the next step is to start a new chat. Open a fresh chat session by clicking the plus icon in the top right corner. Starting a new chat clears out the current conversation context, which can help if the previous thread became too large or too expensive for the model to process. Sometimes long chats accumulate too much information, and Cursor may struggle to handle the request efficiently. A new chat gives you a clean slate and often removes the error instantly. Now let's talk about the third fix, which is one of the most important. Break down your prompts. Do not ask the AI to read your entire application at once. Instead, isolate specific code files and focus on smaller incremental prompts. For example, rather than pasting your whole project and asking Cursor to debug everything, send one file at a time or ask it to review only the exact function or component that is causing the issue. Smaller prompts are easier for the model to process, and they reduce the chance of hitting resource limits. A good approach is to ask targeted questions like, review this file for API errors, or explain why this function is failing, instead of giving one massive instruction. This makes Cursor faster, more accurate, and much less likely to throw a resource_exhausted error. If your project is large, work step by step. Fix one part, test it, then move to the next part. That workflow is much more stable and efficient. So, to quickly recap, if Cursor shows RESARCE_exhausted, first switch to another model through the Settings gear, then go to Models, click View All Models, and try GPT-5.5 or a base model. If that doesn't help, open a new chat using the plus icon in the top right, and finally, make your prompt smaller by focusing on individual files and incremental tasks instead of the entire application. These three fixes solve the issue for most users, especially when the problem is caused by overloaded premium models or overly large prompts. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick Cursor tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.